Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start using AI for predictive analytics with RapidMiner easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. Start by downloading and installing RapidMiner from the official website. Once installed, launch the RapidMiner application on your computer. On the welcome screen, you'll see various options. Select New Project to start your predictive analytics journey. Next, choose a suitable name for your project and select a location for it on your device. After that, click on Create Project to move forward. You will now be directed to the main interface, which includes several tools for data analysis. To begin using AI, you need to import your dataset. Click on the Import Data option. Select the file format of your dataset, which could be CSV, Excel, or a database connection. Locate your dataset file on your computer and click Open. RapidMiner will guide you through the import process. Follow the prompts to ensure your data is loaded correctly. Once your data appears in the data view, take a moment to review it for any inconsistencies or missing values. If necessary, use the data preparation tools available in RapidMiner to clean your dataset. Next, click on the Process tab to build your predictive model. Drag and drop the necessary operators from the left panel into the process area. For predictive analytics, you may want to use the regression or classification operators depending on your goal. Connect the operators logically, ensuring that the data flows correctly from one to the next. Configure each operator by clicking on them and adjusting the settings in the Parameters panel. Once your operators are set up, click on the Run button to execute the process. RapidMiner will process the data and provide you with output results. Review the results in the Output panel, where you can analyze the model's predictions. If needed, iterate on your model by tweaking the parameters or adding more data processing steps. By continuously refining your approach, you can improve the accuracy of your predictive analytics. When satisfied with the model, you can export the results for further analysis or reporting. Finally, save your project to ensure all your work is preserved for future sessions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.